The single notcher is perfect for your notching requirements. This machine requires only one person to operate and has high safety performance. The operator places 2 to 3 stringers at a time in the streamer magazine. The stringers are positioned to the left or right and stop. The 2 pump buttons are then pressed and the first notch pass is made. The material is then slid over to the opposite stop, and the process is repeated to make the second notch. It is flexible to use, easy to clean, easy to maintain, and has high safety performance.